Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to buy the Toshinori Inu token using Trust Wallet and PancakeSwap. I'll be showing you step by step everything you have to do in order to buy this token. And before we get started here, I just want to remind everyone that I do have daily cryptocurrency content on this channel. So if you're interested in crypto and you want to learn more about the space, I really recommend subscribing, as I'll have lots of content coming out now and into the future. Anyhow, first things first, here is going to open up our Trust Wallets. And when we're in Trust Wallet here, I'm just going to let you know as well that I'm not going to be showing you how to create your wallet in this video or how to buy or transfer BNB in this video. If you need to learn how to do either of those two things, I'll have separate tutorials linked in the description and in the comment section down below if that is needed. But one thing I want to point out before we show you the next step is you have to have your BNB inside of your Smart Chain wallet. So if you have your BNB in your BNB wallet right here, just want to make sure you click on that, click on swap, and then you'll see an option that says swap to Smart Chain down at the bottom here. You want to make sure it's in your Smart Chain wallet or else it will not show on PancakeSwap in your balance. So that's very important. And then one more thing I want to point out is that you can buy this token with Ethereum too. So feel free to do that if you have Ethereum. I'll show you guys on the website that you have two options. The only reason why I'm going to show you with BNB is just because the gas fees are a lot cheaper. So you can do that, so just be aware of that. But I'm going to be showing you guys with BNB in this video. So yeah, once we have our BNB inside of our Smart Chain wallet, I'll have a link over to their website in the description and in the comment section down below. So you guys can just head over to that link and then I'll show you guys what to do once you're on their website. And once you're on their website here, you'll see two different options. You'll see one that says buy on Uniswap and then one that says buy on PancakeSwap. So now if you're using Ethereum, you can go ahead and click on the Uniswap option. But if you're using BNB, it's going to be on the bottom. You can do either one. There's no difference to the process about it. It's just the gas fees primarily and the chain that you guys want the tokens on. So just be aware of that. But in this video, I'm going to be showing you which Trust Wallet. So we're going to go ahead and click on buy on PancakeSwap on the bottom here. And once you're on PancakeSwap here, this import token will pop up here. So we're just going to go ahead and click on I understand and import. And once you have both tokens in here, you just want to make sure the website is pancakeswap.finance because there are phishing scams going around. You don't have to be worried because you did click the direct link on their website, but I just want to get you guys in the habit of checking that every time you come on the website to make sure there's no phishing scam going on. Anyhow, all you have to do now is click on Connect Wallet in the top right corner. Once you click on Connect Wallet, you want to click on Wallet Connect. And then here it's going to ask you to choose your preferred wallet. Now, it can be any one of these wallets that you have, but in today's video, I'm going to be showing you a Trust Wallet. So you just want to go ahead and click on Trust Wallet. So I'm going to open up this connection screen inside of our Trust Wallet here. So you just want to go ahead and click on Connect, and then head right back to our Trust Wallet. And once you're back on PancakeSwap here, you'll know you're connected when you see the wallet icon in the top right corner, as well as the balance of BNB right beside BNB right here. So now all we have to do is just make sure that we have the token in the bottom, which we already should. And then the last thing is to change the slippage tolerance. So we're just going to go beside swap where you see this little settings gear here and click on that. Under swaps and liquidity, you'll see slippage tolerance. Now for this token, I'd recommend starting off with 12% to see if that does work. It does change based on the liquidity at the time you're purchasing the token, so just be aware of that. But I would change it to 12%, and if that doesn't work, you may have to move it up a little bit. So just be aware of that. But once you have that in here, you're good to go. Now all you have to do is click the amount of BNB that you want to send into this token. So let's just say, for example, I wanted to do 1 BNB. You can go ahead and type 1 BNB in. So I'm going to show you the amount of the token you're going to get in exchange. Now, if you're comfortable with what you see there, you can go ahead and click on where it says insufficient BNB balance for me. For you, it's just going to tell you to swap. Once you click on swap, it's going to show you a broken down version of your transaction. And it's going to show you all the fees and stuff that's involved. So make sure you read that and you understand that before you go ahead and click on the swap. Once you click on swap one more time, it's going to show a screen inside of your Trust Wallet, just asking you to confirm the transaction to make sure the transaction goes through. So once you click on confirm for that, you should come back to this screen automatically and get a green check mark just saying the transaction's been successful. Once you receive that, you can head right back into your Trust Wallet. And then, of course, in a couple of minutes, you'll have the token coming here into your wallet, usually within 2 or 3 minutes. Anyhow, I really hope I was able to help you guys out, showing you guys how to buy this token using Trust Wallet and PancakeSwap. If this video did help you out, be sure to leave a like on the video and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching.